In this video, let us learn how to fix this problem of whereby you see the try searching to get started. Start watching videos help us build a feed of videos you will love. So this is on YouTube on a smart TV. But first of all, I want us to understand that this problem usually comes up, for example, when you actually clear your YouTube watch history. Remembering that YouTube, whatever things are actually recommended in the home tab, are usually depending on what you have actually watched. Okay, now if you clear that history, you'll notice have this being displayed. Okay, now if you really want to solve this problem, what you gotta do is you gotta watch something, try and search something. For example, you see the search part, so put anything right there. Okay, I'm going to do something like Dalba Teachers, the name of my channel, and then you search. Okay, so what you do basically watch a video. So basically try to watch a video. Okay, now when you actually when you finish watching the video and come back, okay, you're in the home tab right there, you notice that problem is not there anymore.